There are plenty of bodies in the outer solar system, but one system of objects has intrigued scientists for decades. The Pluto system is interesting not only because of its distance and disputed planetary status but also because of the variety of moons in the system. In this video, we will discuss the dwarf planet of Pluto and its small moons. The Pluto system is unique for quite a few reasons. For one, Pluto was actually originally considered a planet and was downgraded to a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto and its moons are also some of the most distant objects in the solar system to be recently imaged. It has sometimes been considered a double planetary system, the only in the solar system. This is because the barycenter of their orbits is not located inside either object. This gravitational phenomenon is caused by the large size of Charon in comparison to Pluto. Charon is almost half Pluto's size with a diameter of 1,212 kilometers. It has such a gravitational influence on the planet that they are mutually tidally locked, and the same faces of both bodies always point towards each other. You may recall that Earth's moon is tidally locked to Earth, however, the Earth is not tidally locked to the moon. This impressive phenomenon is one of its kind in the solar system. Pluto in particular was found to have beautiful mountains made of water ice, and a massive basin of nitrogen and carbon monoxide ices. It is thought that internal heating from radioactive decay may allow for an ocean of liquid water underneath its thick layer of ices. Pluto is mostly made of rock though, and its rocky core is huge, making up about 70% of the diameter of the planet. Strangest of all, Pluto was first found to have a thin atmosphere of gases that has since collapsed. On the other hand, Charon's surface was found to be composed of primarily water ice. It was found to have ice geysers and volcanoes, similar to Pluto. A large reddish spot at its pole contains a material known as tholins, which are organic compounds that are created when sunlight comes in contact with carbon-containing molecules mixed with other molecules like nitrogen and water. The tholins on the surface of Charon are from nitrogen, methane, and other trace gases that came from the atmosphere of Pluto. Nix was one of the first discovered smaller moons of Pluto, being found in 2005. It has a diameter of 49.8 kilometers. This small moon is made up of ices and rock and also has tholins present on the surface. In the case of Nix, it is thought that these tholins were methane molecules ejected from underneath Nix after a collision, which settled back down on the surface and eventually created the reddish stain we see today. Hydra is the other smaller moon of Pluto that was discovered alongside Nix in 2005. It is a bit larger than Nix, making it the second largest moon of Pluto with a diameter of 51 kilometers. Like Nix, it is composed of ices, mostly water ice. Hydra is believed to have formed from a collision between two separate objects that probably came from an even earlier collision on the surface of Pluto. Kerberos is another small moon of Pluto that is around 19 kilometers long on its largest side. Styx is the smallest moon of Pluto, at around 16 kilometers long on its largest side. These two moons were discovered much later than Nix and Hydra, as they are much smaller. They are both believed to be remnants of ancient impacts and are thought to be composed of primarily water ice. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to stick around and subscribe for lots of more content. We'll see you all in the next video.